Hey everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to add athlete on Instagram bio. Now you can do this for your account whether you use a professional or a business account. If you're not sure on what I just said, well this feature does not work for personal accounts. So once you have converted your account into a professional account, you can easily add tags or titles like athlete or artist. Now how do you do this? Quickly come over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner. Once you're in here, you can click on the top right corner to go into the menu. After this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says Account Type and Tools. Click on that, click on Switch to Professional Account. After this, you can click on Continue, and after this, it will ask you to describe yourself. Quickly search for athlete. Since that is what we want for now, I'll click on athlete, click on Done, and once after this, you can see that it is not right away available on your bio. I'll show you. So you'll see that athlete is not being shown. Now, how do I make sure that it is shown on my profile? Now, how do you do this? You can click on Edit Profile over here under your DP. Just click on Edit Profile. And after this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says Profile Display. It's this one right here. Click on it and you will see that the display category label is currently switched off. Just switch it on and click on the tick mark on the top right corner, and that's it. You're good to go. If you go back to your profile, you will see that the athlete tag is now being shown. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add the athlete label on your Instagram bio. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.